All right, what's up guys? It's Mitchell Reese, Salt Lake Realtor. We're out here in Riverton today recording another home built by Edge Homes. This is the Nora, and if you want to know more, my number will be up in the corner. We'll get you all the info you need on these homes. And this is the Mountain Ridge community. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get right into the video. All right, guys, welcome back. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content on the Mountain Ridge community, because this place is something else. It is an Edge Homes built in the Mountain Ridge community known as the Nora. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,438 square feet. If you finish that basement downstairs, it can be up to 3,623 square feet. So this one is a model home that has a really modest build to it, modest upgrades. It's not the most extravagant and luxury upgrades that you can get. So it really shows more of a modest inspiration, if you will, with the furniture and the walls and all of the build and decor throughout the house. So I feel like it's still very beautiful and something a family could get used to if they're not looking for something expensive and luxurious. Edge has those homes to build for all budget ranges. And just to talk a little bit more about the community itself, Mountain Ridge, it's actually a really amazing place. So this part of Riverton has been developed very well. It's considered one of the most walkable towns, one of the most walkable communities, especially built by just Edge Homes. So this one, it's got very close distance to all the shopping centers known as View Village. View Village is one of the best shopping centers I've seen. Very walkable and feels like you're in a nice downtown area, just with everything within reach. So everything that you can walk to is really close. It's got 3 schools within walking distance. You've got Ridgeview Elementary School, Mountain Ridge High School, and a 5-minute drive to South Hills Middle School. So basically everything is within walking distance, and if it's not, it's a 2 to 5 minute drive to things that you would want to go to, like dog parks, Costco, Bangerter Highway, Mountain View Corridor. So just an amazing location. So all of the things surrounding this community are going to be great for the values of these homes to last. There is so many different things to do. But without further ado, I'm going to let you guys continue the rest of this tour. Remember to reach out if you want to know more about this community. If you want to get all the info you can before making a decision on a purchase like this, that's what I'm here for. I am a realtor to help people with their best decisions on making with new construction builds in Utah. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you at the end of the tour. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the tour on the Nora model home here in the Edge built community known as Mountain Ridge here in Riverton, Utah. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to know more about these homes built by Edge in Riverton and their unmatched 6% rate, that is not going to be seen in very many places. This is going to be a great offer during this time of a confusing market, high rates, high prices, no one's buying, no one's selling. This is something you might want to take advantage of. If you want to know more, make sure to give me a call or text. That's what I'm here for, to help guide you through these times and help you know what's best for your buying situation or your selling situation. And then if you're interested in seeing more content on the channel, more home tours with Edge, with Toll Brothers, with tons of other builders here in Utah, make sure to like and subscribe. Like for the algorithm, subscribe to see more content, and hit that bell notification for me so that you know exactly when these videos go up. And then make sure to leave a comment down below what you thought or any questions you might have about the unfinished basements, about the community itself, maybe some amenities, and then just what you thought of the home. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm Mitchell Reese, your Salt Lake Realtor, and we'll see you guys in the next video.